gonna get some dragon fruit. So probably when you see this, it's a late upload. So yan, meron kaming okra. Sorry, madumi. Yung strawberry ko, ayan, strawberry yan parehas din. Siling labuyo yung tatlo. You seen that? Ayun, oh. Ooh. I think it's already ripe na. Tada! It's kind of small. Kasi late na ito eh. Like, nag-start to mag-bloom ng September eh. Supposedly hanggang August lang ang season ng ating dragon fruit. So this one, you can just pull it out. Like that. So, silipin natin yung iba. Baka may ma-harvest pa tayong iba. So, this is our mulberries. So, hindi pa siya ripe. It's still, na-red pa siya eh. Kailangan purple na siya, dark purple before you eat it kasi it's sour and parang may dagdag. Silipin natin yung isang dragon fruit dito. Baka by tomorrow pa siya. I don't know kung paano ko rin siya kukunin kasi masyado siyang nasa gitna and madami kasing leaf for good ako, but it's ayan yung isa, yeah, medyo maputla pa siya, so okra. Can you tell me why nabubutas yung mga dahon ng okra? Bigla na lang sila nabutas ng ganyan. Saluyot. Wala akong ibang ma-harvest. Yung nandito is still green pa, so I can't. So yeah, ito lang yung harvest natin for today. Bye!